guys, welcome back. So today I have a new nail video. I've had a lot of people asking me to do a video on either how to make your nails longer or how to fix a broken nail. So that is what I'm going to be doing for you guys today. So let me know down below if this is a video that you guys would like to see for other nail videos. That would really help me to know what you guys want. But yeah, I hope you guys like this video and let's get started. Alright, so you can see I have my broken nail, so I'm going to start exactly what I normally do. So I go in and I take a file. Since this is just one nail, I'm not going to get my big drill. I'm just going to use this. This one is from Light Elegance and it is 100 and 180. And I'm just going to be filing on the thicker side, just getting all of it off. So it didn't take very long for me to take this off, so you can see my nail is really broken. I'm just going to show you how I'm going to kind of rebuild this nail, since obviously it doesn't look like the others. First I'm going to use the gel bottle ink, and I'm going to use this, and this is the base coat. So I'm just going to put one small little coat for this and make it really close to the cuticle and just make sure it is all on there. Once I have that, I'm just going to put it under my lamp for 30 seconds. Once I have this on, I'm going to go into the same except different. This is the top coat. So this one is very, very thick, and I'm going to start building my nail. And to use this, I'm going to use this. I got these just from Amazon. It comes with a huge roll. I feel like I will probably never need to buy more. That's how many it came with, and it was pretty inexpensive as well. So I'm just going to open this. And it's sticky. I'm going to take this one just to make it thicker here. And then you can see it has an area for you to put your finger in it. So I'm going to put it right around here. And you want to make sure you're closing all of this. Once I have this here, I am just going to put my gel, the top gel, and I'm going to put it right on it, and I'm just going to put this right in here. Now I do realize I am not a nail tech, so if I'm doing it wrong, that is okay. This is just what works for me, and if it doesn't work for you, then do you, boo. I'm just going to put this in the lamp for about 2 seconds, because I do want to make sure it is bent. I hate it when it's nice and flat. I hate it. So I'm just going to quickly put this in the lamp. So once I have that, I'm going to start to twist it, because I want it to be round. I don't want it to be a straight line. I hate it. So I'm just going to start bending it, and then I'm going to put it in for now the 30 seconds. All right, so it is finished. So I'm going to, you have to be very, very careful because it is not very thick yet. So you can take it off, and you need to be extremely careful because it is not very thick yet. So you can see it's very, very thin. You could probably bend it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go back in to the gel, and I'm gonna make it thicker. So this is when you want to start making sure it's getting nice and thick, because if it is not, it is going to break very, very easily. So you're just going to want to make sure you're going through with a lot of layers. So what I like to do, since mine is almost gone, I need to go through and make sure it is really filled in with it, and just really adding it in. So it will end up being kind of, what is it called? The spike of the heat because it is a thicker nail and I want to start it off a little bit thinner. So I'm just going to give a couple of layers. I'm just going to put this one in there in the lamp and I will be right back. So since this is a little bit thicker, I'm going to put another coat. Going in, putting it right here, and really add that in here. So I like to put it underneath and just kind of make sure it's all leveled, because it is thick, but it is a little bit thinner than a hard gel. So I'm just gonna kind of tap it, making sure it's all nice and smooth. And if not, it will end up fixing itself. So I do want it to go down a little bit. And again, it's not gonna be perfect, but that's okay. So we're getting there, you guys can see. So I'm gonna put this in the lamp for another 30 seconds. Now that it's thicker, I'm gonna go into the file and I'm just going to shape the nail as to how I want it to be. So it is a longer, thicker nail. So I do wanna make sure that they are the same length as the others. So now that I have the shape that I'm looking for, I'm going to kind of make sure that this is nice and smooth up here. Everything is pretty much smooth, so all I really need to do is use the 100 side, or I'm not even sure which one is the heavier one, the smoother one. It is all nice and smooth before I put the color. So the nail is looking pretty good as of right now. So all we need to do next is to just put the color on. I will put my link for these nails that I had put so you guys can see. But yeah, that was super easy to be able to make my own nail, and you guys could use this for all of your nails if you have short nails. It was very easy to do. I will put my link to all the products that I used for this today. And yeah, I hope you guys liked this video. Let me know down below if this was helpful for you. I had a couple people mentioning about how to make a nail when you accidentally break it and things like that. So yeah, I love you guys so much. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and put the bell on there. And yeah, I will talk to you guys later. Bye.